Hey everyone, do you know what today's episode is about? Well, it's interesting because it's all about food today. And today, it's about Chinese and Indian cooking. Lifechanyuan community cooks Chinese dishes for every meal. So today, you're getting a little sneak peek into the Chinese kitchen. By the way, almost all the vegetables they eat come from their own organic farm. It's such a wonderful feeling to grow your own food, and whenever you want to cook, instead of going to the supermarket to buy vegetables, you simply walk to your own farm and pick them fresh. What a blessed way of life. It's definitely a lot of hard work every day on the farm, no doubt. But I think it's completely worth it. If you were given a chance, would you choose to live this amazing way of life? Now that the harvesting is done, let's head to the kitchen and start cooking. Because I have always loved eating clean, and now it's an even bigger bonus for me because I have actually seen with my own eyes where the food comes from, straight from their own farm. Then she starts prepping the dough. It needs a good amount of time to knead and then let the dough proof for a while. Well, I have noticed how cleanly she cooks and how much heart she puts into everything she makes. Trust me, I've been eating her food for quite a few days now, and every day I wait eagerly for mealtime because you never know what delicious food is going to be served. She's truly an expert at everything she makes. The whole community absolutely loves her food. And I can't wait to see what we're having today as well. I absolutely love exploring different kinds of food whenever I travel. Chinese cuisine involves lots of soups and plenty of vegetables, and that's one of the best parts for me. It honestly amazes me how food can bring people so close. I have actually become friends with some people during my traveling just by sitting and talking about food. I know it sounds crazy, but yeah. The baking aroma is absolutely amazing right now in the kitchen. Food really has a way of connecting people. What a beautiful way to bring two cuisines and cultures together. Isn't this such a wonderful cultural exchange to experience while traveling? Also, there are some momos being prepared. And the whole community is coming together and giving a helping hand. We have stir-fried vegetables with eggs, grated potato side dish, cabbage with eggs, a healthy soup, some rice, and of course, our brioche with chocolate filling. I have noticed that the community always eats together. And guess what? They all want to try Indian food. So this time, I'll be cooking an Indian meal for them. And in particular, they said they really want to try roti. I haven't cooked for this many people before, but everyone is helping me out. It was quite difficult to find Indian ingredients in this small mountain village in northern Thailand. But I'm trying to work with whatever is available. Making roti in a Chinese wok. And finally, we made moong dal dessert, dal, rice, coconut chutney and butter roti. They wanted to understand what goes with what. So I'm showing them how to arrange everything on the plate. And thankfully, the food turned out to be delicious. And I personally love cooking and feeding people. Seeing them genuinely enjoy the food I have made fills my heart with so much happiness. My Lifechanyuan journey comes to an end here. I'll come up with a new story next week, so stay tuned.